Today I'm going to go over solving equations with variables on the both sides of the equal sign. Our first equation is 8x plus 4 equals 2x plus 8. Our first step, move variables to the left side by adding or subtracting. When solving this equation, it is helpful to draw a line down the middle to separate your two sides. Remember, on the left side, you want your variables, and on the right side, you want your constants. So remember, your variables are your letters, constants are your numbers that are not next to a variable. The first thing that you want to do, you want 2x on the left side with variables. In order to move this, you are going to subtract 2x. Because it is a positive 2x, the opposite is a negative 2x. That will cancel out on the right side. You also have to do the same thing on the left side. On the right side, I only have this positive 8 left. On the left side, I'll combine 8x and negative 2x to get 6x plus 4. And all I did was bring down the 4. So now I have all my variables on the left side. There are none on the right side, but I have to move this positive 4 over. First, let me show you how to complete the table with the information I just wrote down. Okay, so because we subtracted 2x, you're going to type in negative 2x or minus 2x. You're also going to do the same thing on the left side. And it's helpful if you move it over beneath the item you're combining it with. So underneath that, I'm going to write 8 because that's all that's left on the right side. On the left side, I'm going to type 6x plus 4 because when I subtracted 8x and 2x, I got 6x, and all I did was bring down the 4. Our next step is to move numbers to the right side by adding or subtracting. So to do that, I have this positive 4 that needs to move over. I'm going to subtract 4 because a positive 4 and a negative 4 will cancel each other out. I'll also subtract 4 on this side. 8 minus 4 is 4. All I have left over here is 6x. So when I'm typing the information into the table, right here I'll put minus 4 because I'm subtracting 4 from both sides. Below that, I'll put 8 minus 4 is 4, so I'll put 4 there. On the left side, all I have left is 6x. So now we're ready for the final step. Divide by the number with the variable. The number that's with the variable is 6. So we'll be dividing both sides by 6. So when you write it down, it'll look like this, divided by 6 on both sides. That will cancel this out. X is equal to, well, this is going to stay a fraction. 4 over 6 will simplify to 2 over 3. And depending on your problem, you may have to change that to a decimal. So now I'll go to the table and fill in the information. So we're done with that problem. I'll now work on the second one. For this one, you have 6x plus 12 equals 4x plus 22. My first step is to move variables to the left by adding or subtracting. So I'll draw my line down the middle. I want variables on the left side. Right now I have 6x over there, but I need to move this positive 4x. I'll do that by subtracting 4x on both sides. That will cancel it out on this side. and all you have left is 22. On the left side, 6x minus 4x gives you 2x. I'm going to bring down the positive 12. So when you're completing the table, you'll type in minus 4x or negative 4x. You'll also do the same over here. Again, if you can line it up with the 6x that you're combining it with, that would be great, but if not, that's fine. Below it, 6x minus 4x will give me 2x plus 12. And again, all you did was bring down the 12. On the right side, the 4x and the negative 4x canceled out, and all you have left is 22. My next step, it says second step, move numbers to the right side by adding or subtracting. The only number that I have that needs to be moved is going to be this positive 12. It needs to be over here. So let's do that. In order to move this, it's a positive 12. You'll put negative 12 or minus 12 to cancel it out on the left side. Now, on the left side, all I have left is 2x. And on the right side, 22 minus 12 will give me 10. We'll fill in the chart with that information. We'll subtract 12 from both sides. 22 minus 12 is 10. And 12 minus 12 will cancel out, and all you have left is 2x on the left side. Now, our final step is to divide by the number with the variable. Well, the number with the variable is 2, so I'll be dividing by 2. So our answer is x is equal to 5.